Hi guys, it's Firearms from Michigan here. The time is 4:45 p.m. right now. And I'm going to show you my firearm collection. Yep, I haven't done a video of my firearm collection in a while, so that's what we're going to do today. So, let me start off with this arm. This is a Simplex 4903-9246 horn strobe, which I don't have the horn hooked up, it's just a strobe. It's just a remote. I just have it connected as a remote strobe for now, but I will get the horn hooked up eventually. You actually heard the horn on this once. Here we go. Let's just make it flash. Man, it's hot out here too. There's that one. $29.1-95.49, and I'm not gonna sound this, so I'm only gonna do it for a second. Yeah, I wasn't gonna do it for that long because I just don't want to set up for that long today. Just a quick because my nephew's sleeping, and my sister's sleeping, so I don't want to do it for too long. Here is an Edwards fire bell. See, Edwards fire bell. It's an adapter bell. It's warm. Next, it's a broken Simplex 4040. Right, this thing's broke. Now I will show you what I mean. That's right. What it does, it clicks. Man, it's warm out here. Holy moly. Next is a Simplex 494-9327 remote strobe. 110 candela. And here's the thing about this one. See that burn spot? I thought this was burnt out, but turns out that this strobe is not burnt out. However, though, the sad thing is, Nick hooked this up and found out that this strobe, however, did flash, but I don't have it hooked up because when you have the wires in here, you have to jiggle the wires to get the flash. Every time you had to jiggle the wires to get it flash, it would not flash when you just kept your hands off. If you kept your hands off the wire, this thing would not flash. You would have to shake it to get it flash. So it was broke, basically.